In this video, I'll be showing you how to save photos to Google Photos. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do this with any of your photos, regardless of whichever device you're on. But let's say you go to your normal camera roll and you have a bunch of like videos and photos, things that you want to go ahead and put onto Google Photos so you can have them on the drive. It's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is, of course, have Google Photos installed. Then go to whichever image you want. So let's say in my instance, it's this image right here. On the bottom right, I want to click the share icon. And then when I'm here, I'm going to see a lot of options on the bottom. I want to look for the Google Photos one where it says Photos Upload To. Go ahead and click on that. Just choose the account. And again, you can upload photos and videos. I'm just going to be using this one photo as an example. Then go ahead and click Upload. Then I'm going to be uploading the photo. Then it says Upload Complete. Now what I could do is just go over to my Google Photos, do a quick little refresh, and then I'll be able to find that photo right here, and it's going to just be on whatever date that image was from. So in this instance, it would be a few months ago. And then yeah, it's as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.